So now that all the values are cut, now and only now we cut this flush with the edge of the fingerboard on both sides. Still have to take this down on top a little bit. Right. So this beautiful Butterscotch Tele is done. It needed a lot of work to bring it up to this point, but it's 100% played. So I did end up sculpting those bridge saddles, so the 3 saddles were sculpted so that all 6 strings are in tune. And we matched those saddles to the fingerboard radius. We also did an edge dress and fret dress, which, as you know, entails a lot more on a maple neck. You've seen this in numerous other videos. And then last but not least, we did this compensated nut. So I've recorded a couple of chord progressions and looped them, and then I'll just improvise a third part over top. So this was the first chord progression I laid down. So over top of that, I went to the top of the neck, started up here, or something close to that. I can't even remember what it was exactly. I'll let those overlapping chord progressions play, and then you sort of get the picture, the totality of the intonation across the entire span of the neck on this Tele. Here goes. Piano players just love it when they hear a guitar this in tune.